Take full command of your digital assets by seamlessly moving your crypto from an exchange to your own secure wallet. First, log in to your exchange account and navigate to the Withdraw or Send section. This is where you'll initiate the transfer process. From the available options, select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. For this tutorial, we'll use Bitcoin as an example, but the process is similar for most digital assets. Next, and this is crucial, select the correct network for your withdrawal. Make absolutely sure this matches the network. Your external wallet supports sending to the wrong network can result in permanent loss of your funds. Now, you'll need the deposit address from your external wallet. Access your personal wallet, find the deposit function for the specific crypto you're sending, and copy its unique address. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Carefully paste your wallet's deposit address into the designated field on the exchange. Double-check every character. To ensure accuracy, a single typo can send your crypto astray. It's also a good practice to check for any confirmation boxes the exchange provides to verify the address. Enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. You can usually see your available balance on this screen to help you decide. Review all the details: the cryptocurrency, the amount, the destination address, and especially the network and any associated fees. Once you are completely satisfied, click the Withdraw or Confirm button to finalize the transaction. The exchange will likely send you a confirmation email or require an additional security step, such as a 2FA code, to authorize the withdrawal. Follow these prompts diligently. You can typically track the status of your withdrawal on the exchange, depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. It may take a few minutes or longer for the transaction to be fully confirmed on the blockchain. And there you have it. Your cryptocurrency is now safely in your external wallet, giving you greater control and security over your digital investments. Remember to always keep your wallet's recovery phrase secure and never share it with anyone.